I promise you, this is all the YouTube advice you'll ever need. Because this is literally it. You don't need nothing else, I promise you. Growing on YouTube isn't about the algorithm learning who you are or you doing this one trick. Literally, you see these people like exponentially grow on YouTube and it's like, okay, 200, 400, 1,000, and 10,000. Like, you see how it multiplies? You know why that happens? It isn't because the YouTube algorithm sees they're being consistent. It isn't because the YouTube algorithm learns who they are. It's because they actually become a better version of themselves and a better content creator and a better YouTuber with each video, and therefore the results get better. They learn, oh, these type of titles aren't just better, but they relate with my brand more. And when it comes to my thumbnails, I know everybody's doing it this way, but they become more aware of who they are and what works best for YouTube for themselves. What works for me wouldn't work for you. Yeah, what works for me wouldn't work for you. And so every single video you make, every time you think of a title and you think of the description, all the things it takes to make a YouTube video, even you doing this right here when you're recording, all the things in the process, you learn what you need to be doing, what you shouldn't be doing, how you should. All of that is that's the exponential growth. It has nothing to do with I mean, a little bit. Like, I'm not gonna cap, but like, bro, it's all about you versus you. And the reason there's thousands of videos that say this is the way to do it is because there's so many people that want the result but don't want to do the actual work. That's it. You're one of those people. If you're watching this video, you're one of those people, you constantly watch how to get to 1,000 subscribers, how to get, I did this, I posted a video every single day for 2 years. Look how many revenue I have. You watch all these YouTube videos that tell you how to do things because you are rejecting the one thing you don't want to face, and that's looking in the mirror. And when you look in that mirror, you will see, dang it, I haven't became the person that deserves the results. We want the results. We don't want to earn the results. But what's crazy is if you got the results without earning them, they wouldn't even be enough. You would get there, you'd be like, I need this now, I need this now. But when you love the process, like I love the process, I can see myself becoming better with each video. I can see myself learning how to make titles better for my channel. I can see myself understanding things. That's what's fun, but what's crazy is the person that detaches from the results, detaches from, I need the subscribers, is the person that actually becomes, and then they actually earn. But you can't earn it because you're constantly saying the algorithm, I need to watch another video, oh my gosh. This is game on life, not just YouTube, but I'm here on this platform, so let me talk about YouTube. But like, this is the only advice you'll ever need, I promise you. If you work on becoming a better you, not distracting yourself by all these, what's the word, external things, just becoming you, life changes. That's it. I'm not even going to waste this video and try to get more like, what is it, AdSense or like more time watch. Because I bet some of you are watching this like, dang, this guy's spitting. I'm not even going to waste your time because you need to just get in the dark and like look and go to the mirror and like really reflect and learn who you are. Do that work. The reason I can be quirky and weird and like this, because I've really sat there in that dark and realized, yo, Jamar, you was being somebody else for somebody else's approval that's not even for you. When I started to realize who I was, what did I need to do to get better, all those results came. And it's the hardest work of all time. They say like the man who can control a nation isn't stronger than the man that can control himself, or the man that can overcome the battle. Something like that. I'm not even gonna cap like I'm some extra like deep person. I am though. But yeah, y'all like, comment, subscribe. I do get deeper on this channel. I do explain a lot of things about how finding success and finding your passion, all that stuff. Like, comment, subscribe. But I bet you're gonna click on another video that says how to get 5,000 subscribers in 30 days. But for the person that doesn't, that really heard me, I believe in you. You got this. There's nothing you can't do. Just keep believing in yourself and understand failure is impossible if you just decide you're never gonna quit. That's all I am. I'm a representation of somebody that never quit. And I actually look within and said, what can I do to be better? Okay, like, comment, subscribe. I drop every single day at 9:30 a.m. ET. Yeah, that's all I got. I enjoyed making this video. So even if y'all don't do that, I already won.